Hello everybody, my name is Leo. Today I'm going to introduce you the Regalia-Mitra Filter made by the RackAFX. Uh, Here is the block diagram of the filter. As you can see, we have four control parameters here: the center frequency, the Q, the K. The K is the boost or cut dB in our case. And the user could choose whether he or she wants a shelving filter or a parametric EQ. Here, let's look at the algorithm part. So the original signal goes through an all-pass filter. If the all-pass filter is first order, like the user will get the parametric EQ as a result, and if it's a second order, the user will have the shelving filter. The original signal goes through the all-pass filter, and for the top part, it gets summed with the original filter and scaled by a factor of 0.5. For the bottom, the original signal gets subtracted by the all-pass filter output and scaled by the factor of k over 2, and then we sum them and we have the final result. So let's have a look at this filter. So these are our default values. We open the frequency analyzer. So because the default is 0 dB, so you can show nothing there. So let's start from the parametric EQ. So let's say it's a 1K center frequency. And for the first order parametric EQ, the Q doesn't play any role there because it's a first order filter. So we increased the dB, cut the dB. The maximum and minimum is 12, and we play around the frequency value. So let's hear the effect. Play some music. Okay, now we go to the shelving one. So as you can see, let's adjust the center frequency around, right, 1K. As you can see, here's our lovely shelving filter. We'll play around the boost, and now we can control the Q of the filter. As you can see, the Q increase, the bandwidth gets narrow and narrow. That's how we define the Q. Let's hear this one as well. Pretty cool, huh? So we just this simple algorithm could provide us a shelving filter and a parametric EQ, which is pretty useful for the audio process. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.